So we're gonna film down this little alley right here, and oops, a little bit busy little alley. Lots of stuff happening. So we're gonna walk down it and towards those kind of beautiful red lights, and I'll give you the name of the street as well. That'll be listed in the title. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So before we go down, we'll just kind of give you a context. We're kind of in these little alleys of streets, narrow streets. Look like that. There's another one with a nice little temple in there. It's kind of tempted to go up in that way. It goes up towards Camoish Park. Actually, this little street follows this little Camoish. It's on the base of Camoish Park, which is I think it's the biggest park in Macau. Maybe, I think so, most famous anyways. It's one that they talk about for tourists. Kind of attracted to this one. I wasn't going to film, I was just going to walk through because the lighting is getting a little bit dark. But then I like this filming the street anyways. And then you can see the beauty of that, of those pink gates that are kind of illuminated a little bit. So I thought that was interesting to capture and film as well. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. The lighting is good. Then we come out to a main street. There's a little pension house right there. I think the street right here, I forget the name of it, but we're gonna keep walking down that street anyways. We'll catch the name of the street in a minute. But yeah, there's a little street right here called like Dragon, Mouth of the Dragon. It's a tiny little alley. It's a little too dark to film that one. I filmed it before. Okay, this is Rua de Palmeira. So we're on Palmeira. We're gonna keep on walking down Palmeira. A little bit late, don't know, but we'll see. But I'm sure we'll see something. There's a little car park. I don't know how you can get your car in there very effectively. You have to drive through this every day, and so there's going to be pedestrians everywhere in here as well. Okay. Becos. This little beco means mouth in English. We're going to keep on walking down this way. Actually, lighting is, the way that it's treating the lighting in this video isn't ideal. The rest of the Saudade. So that's Rua de Palmeira right there. And I kind of want to go down this little street up that way. You can see Rua de Palmeira. This one looks so interesting. I don't know the name of it. Just kind of go up it, and we'll see. We'll attach it to Rua de Palmeira anyways, because it's basically the little alley right next to it anyways. You got little becos you can go up into. Looks like just a little tiny little. Probably just goes to like a couple houses, I would imagine. Okay. These are those little apartments. It's actually got all kinds of stuff everywhere, right? Here's some activity. Oh, we're coming up to this park. So we're actually on a different street, but I think we're coming up near Camoish Park, and there's a temple up there that's quite beautiful to film. You can see people up there. So maybe we'll just head up here a little bit. Didn't really expect to come up to this spot, but we will anyways. We got some So we basically are down those little alleys, down that little area, down that little way. Let's go up more. Didn't really expect that. So we started off in these little alleys, and we end up coming up in this little temple. Yeah, you never know what to expect. Yeah, just like tiny little alley, right? And suddenly you come up in this little space. They're doing Tai Chi over there. Whew. Yeah, I didn't expect that would be how we'd come out of there. Yeah, start in a little alley and end up at a temple. Whew. Okay. So we're just in those little alleys, right? Walking around. Ooh. Got a beautiful horizon there too. Okay. Let's sit down and take a rest for a little bit. Jeez. It's a nice surprise. Go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.